What does PM stand for in time? Post-meridian. What does AM stand for in time? Anti-meridium. What does CEO stand for? Chief Executive Officer. What does ATM stand for? Automated teller machine. What does FAQ stand for? Frequently asked questions. What does Wi-Fi stand for? Wireless fidelity. What does SIM stand for? Subscriber identity module. What does PIN stand for? Personal identification number. What does AI stand for? Artificial intelligence. What does OTP stand for? One-time password. What does GPS stand for? Global Positioning System. What does ASAP stand for? As soon as possible. What does RIP stand for? Rest in peace. What does TBA stand for? To be announced. What does LED stand for? Light emitting diode. What does CCTV stand for? Closed circuit television. What does URL stand for? Uniform Resource Locator. What does ETA stand for? Estimated time of arrival. What does NASA stand for? National Aeronautics and Space Administration. What does PDF stand for? Portable document format. What does DM stand for? Direct message. What does USB stand for? Universal Serial Bus. What does DIY stand for? Do it yourself. What does UNO stand for? United Nations Organization. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid. What does CPU stand for? Central Processing Unit. What does ECG stand for? Electrocardiogram. What does WH stand for? World Health Organization. What does MRI stand for? Magnetic resonance imaging. What does SM stand for? Short message service.